Good morning. 3 tools to share with you as you work with special education or English language learners. One is the speech recognition within Word. Eileen mentioned it. If you were to look in your search bar under speech recognition app, it will put a desktop app right on the top of your Word document. And you do have to turn it on, you do have to train it a bit, and I am guessing that your special education teachers would be able to do that with the students first, but know that it's here. There is a bit of training that the system has to go through to recognize the voice well, but this is a possibility for some of your students. She also mentioned the translate feature within OneNote if you are also in Microsoft. So let's say, for example, that I want to translate a piece of text. I can use the review function and translate this selected text. And then on the right-hand side here, it punches up a button. I've asked it to translate from English to French. Here you go. My French is very poor, so not really sure whether it's an accurate translation, but I know Microsoft works on that to make it better each time. So those were the 2 translation or speech tools that Eileen was mentioning. The last thing I wanted to mention to you is the tool to highlight text as it's read in Gale resources. So I pulled up an article, and in my toolbox right here in the settings section, it allows for enhanced text visibility. So if I click that to on, you can see here also I have some options for speech speed. And then if I were to listen, you can see that it is highlighting. You can see that it is highlighting and putting the words in large text at the bottom of the screen. So that can be very, very helpful to students. The other option in here, let's see here. Sorry, the other option in here, as I was saying, is you do have an option to translate this article into whatever language you'd prefer. So wanted to make you aware of that for some of your students who are English language learners. There you go, 3 things from last night. Thank you.